ये उमियम लेक किधर है? उमियम लेक। उमियम लेक।
Hello friends, welcome to the first travel vlog of our trip to the northeast. Day 1 stay was quite pleasant.
ये उमियम लेक किधर है? उमियम लेक। उमियम लेक।
इधर सीधा निकलो उधर।
लेक लेक।
तालाब जैसा ऐसा है। ओके कम गूगल इज गाइडिंग अस।
Good, the timing is good because we're doing it in summer. So everyone's can take. Like look at how this is. There's a step here. There is another step here. There's another.
We wound up day 2 in Shillong with a nice South Indian dinner.
On day 3, we started from Shillong to Cherrapunji. Pause the video to read about it.
A heavenly bowl of hot noodles.
On our way to Cherrapunji, we stopped to enjoy nature's beauty. That's a vintage bus. With the truck face?
Our homestay in Cherrapunji. Simple and nostalgic with red oxide flooring. We loved this place.
After watching this friendly bugs yoga routine, we headed to Noka Likai Falls. Pause the video to read about it.
We ended day 3 watching this spectacular sunset.